Did this break VWAP and hold at any point ever throughout the entire day? Ever?
No, and that's what I was going to ask,
No.
Coach. If it doesn't break VWAP, it seems like you could stay in.
You're supposed to stay in it, right? Not seems like. What do I train you all on?
Yeah, I should have said absolutely stay in. I
Yes,
mean,
absolutely. Yep. So again, trade number one and trade number two, which will take you through the rest of the day. Congratulations. That's it. You had one, two trades on all the Power Seven: Amazon, Nvidia, Spy, probably Netflix, Google. If we pulled them up, you would have bought here. Your stop would be at or above what you paid. There's no way in hell you would have ever got stopped out. You would have stomached through all of this, waiting for, obviously the move where it's showing the reversals. You would have got into the second trade. Again, you would have left it alone. You would have not touched it again, and then you would have been a hero. So